Hello everyone. Today let's talk about conjugation of sein and haben. First, we are discussing conjugation of sein. First person singular is ich bin, which means I am. First person plural is wir sind, which means we are. Second person singular informal is du bist, which means you are. And formal is sie sind, that also means you are. Second person plural informal is ihr seid, formal is sie sind. Third person singular have three types. Ist, which means he is, sie ist, which means she is, and finally es ist, which means it is. Third person plural is sie sind, which means they are. Here S should be small letter. Next is conjugation of haben. First person singular is ich habe, which means I have. First person plural is wir haben, which means we have. Second person singular informal is du hast, which means you have. Second person singular formal is sie haben, which means you have. Second person plural informal is ihr habt, and formal is sie haben. Third person singular have three types. Hat, which means he has, and sie hat, which means she has, and finally es hat, which means it has. Third person plural is sie haben, which means they have. Here S should be small letter.